Welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've been inspired by a recent small YouTuber makeup trend going along at the moment. I watched a video by Jen KK Beauty. Shout out Sweetie, so go and check her video out of how this look came to fruition, came into my mind, how it inspired me to make my own version. So yeah, so it's a bronze, well it's literally basically just a bronze makeup look challenge that's going around. So I thought, well, that would actually be a challenge for me because I don't wear kind of neutral colours. I wear really bold makeup looks, as you guys would know if you've been seeing my previous makeup looks. So I thought, why not give this one a go? I have been requested a few times to make a more natural look, which I have done in the past, but I thought this would just be something different, I guess, for people. So basically the aim of the challenge is to make a bronze inspired look, so everything has to be bronze. I can't use any colours, just like bronze shimmers and stuff, which I do have and I don't use, so it's actually good for me to dip into them and use them a bit. So anyway, so what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to go and throw on my foundation. You know, my skin's looking alright, so, but anyway. So yeah, I'm going to put some foundation on, so I'm going to go and do that first. Alright guys, so I've just put on the foundation. I've been trying to get rid of this for months now and it just won't go. So, but I mean, you know, if you guys want to buy this foundation, I mean, it does last you for a very long time. But then once again, I'm not a person who wears makeup every day, so that could be why. But it's not exactly the right shade, because I didn't do a test. I just bought it online because it was on sale. I didn't actually kind of, apply it to my skin in the store, which I've now learnt that, you know, you can't really go buy online and templates and shades of the foundation you're going to buy online, because they always come a little bit different. So the best thing to do is just go into the store and put some on your hand and just see if it matches your skin tone or not. Saying that though, you do get lucky. Like this one from The Ordinary is really good. I use it from my beard area only if I'm going out, because you can't really notice on camera. But with this one, I just pull it all over my face because I'm just trying to use it up. So anyway guys, so yeah, I don't know, I mean it really doesn't show on camera, you can't tell that it doesn't really match me perfectly, but so we can get away with it here. So anyway, I'm waffling. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do my usual technique of doing the eyeliner before I do the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go and put some eyeliner on it now. So I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeliner. So I'll just put the mirror up here so that I can do my eyeliner while also you guys can see me doing it. I'm just going to do a basic eyeliner for this one. I'm not going to do it in an eyeliner or anything fancy. Just go for the normal Savage Beauty that I do, yes. I think this eyeliner's finally run out, which is good because I have another 2 of these. So I was going to go find another one. Right, I've got a new one, so I'm going to go finish off now. See, this is where the struggle begins. One eye's good and one eye's not. So the wing here I'm working on, because this wing I done perfectly. So it just really made this one look like rubbish. So now I'm trying to make it just as precise as this eye. Right, there we go. Got them even now. So that worked for now anyway. Right, time for the fun. We're going to start on the eyeshadow now. So I need to sort my brushes out first, so I'm going to come back. Right, so I'm now all prepared. So as usual, I usually do a colour scheme on my arm, just so I can refer to it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to... Oh my god, what one was it? Well, I'm going to assume it's this shade, because it looks like it. So I'm going to go in with this very skin coloured tone here. And I'm just going to do that around the eyes. Which actually I shouldn't do it first, but now I've already got it on my brush, so I'm just going to go and do that first. So yeah, I'm just going to go and put that, plonk plonk. Right, you can't really tell the difference because it's so skin colours. So I'm going to move on to the darker shade, which I believe brownie ready shade here. Although I might start with this one first actually. I'm gonna do a transition, like I want to do a big build up of this one. So yeah, I don't want to start too dark. Right, there we go, starting to see a little bit of flavour on the eyes. So I'm going to go in with the darker one now, which is the one next to it, so this one. So I'm going to go in with that. Right, so that's done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to build on the eyelids, and I'm going to go in with this dark brown down here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over the eyelids. Yeah, I'm just going to go and do that. I'm just going to cover the whole eyelid in brown. Right, that's better. So I've just got a little bit of fallout, so I'm going to go and mop that off. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get another brush, and I'm just going to go and blend the colours in together. Just around the tips of the brown shade, like around here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with the orange colour, or orangey brown, whatever this is. I'm just going to go and put that around that rim. Love saying that in a friendly way on my channel. A rim. Right, so I'm going in with this light kind of skin colour. I feel like I might have to go in with a yellow just to make it, I don't know, they're all very nudie shades, aren't they? Right, so I'm going to go and just throw this light yellow colour on. I know it's a bit of colour, but let's be realistic. Was that ever going to do a full neutral look? Probably not. So, but I think I can get away with it because it is quite a natural colour. And it's a very pale yellow. I think it goes anyway. Right, so there we go. As you can see, you really can't tell. So I'm just going to go along with a clean brush and just blend it out. Just around the edges to soften them. So I'm going to go back over with the brush that I cannot find. Okay, found it. So I'm going to go back in with the brown, and I'm just going to build up the colour basically because it's not really showing good enough. So build that pigmentation, honey. So this is for the extra fun part because if you know me, you know I love me a shimmer shade. So I'm going to go and put the shimmers on, but what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make a halo cut crease. So I'm going to go in with my little cutting brush, I guess. I don't really know what to call it, but it's a small brush that's really good for making cut creases. So we're just going to go and do that. So I'm going to go my foundation, the one that I'm trying to use up, and it's still here. Go and do that. Right, so we're just going to let it dry for a second or so. Well, a bit more than a second, a few seconds. 10 seconds, to be precise. Right, so what I'm going to do now is, oh, no, yeah, it's dry, I think. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with this bronze shimmer here. So it's like the boldest one, I feel. And it's a warm tone which goes with the rest of the look, so. Right, so I'm just going to put that on the eyelids, over the cut crease. Right, so there we go guys. I actually really like how this halo has turned out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a highlighter. To be fair, what I'm going to do, I think I need to put colour underneath the eye. So I'm going to go and put that brown shade under the eye. Right, so there we go, that's that. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this black waterline from LA Girl. It's not very good because it does come off really quickly. So if anyone knows a good company that's vegan and cruelty free that does a really good gel liner, please hit a girl up. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and there we go. I need to sharpen this one because it's getting a bit dangerous almost. Doesn't want to show you because it's that dangerous. So yeah, I'm just going to leave that in my little makeup bag because I'm bougie now. So. Right, so what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to go in my Unicorn Hearts highlighter palette, eyeshadow thing, highlighter thing. And I'm just going to go and pull it in the corners in the yellow shade. Right, there we go, that kind of goes, quite cute. So I'm just going to go and highlight the rest of the face now, so yeah, just going to do that. Highlighted for the gods now, yes. So I'm going to put a little plop on my Cupid's bow. because we love Cupid. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do, I think I should do a contour. We'll do a contour because of the browns and stuff. I think, yeah, contour. I was just going to go in this brown colour here. And I'm just going to do the contour of that. Right, so I've done quite a bold contour and I'm actually quite like living for it, so I'm not going to change it. We're just going to roll with it. Well, for the lipstick, I wouldn't really choose this shade, but I'm going to put gold in it. And I think that will go with this look really well. So yeah, I'm just going to experiment, play the spices of life. Right, so I've done the liquid lipsticks, now I'm going to put on the lip gloss. Right, so there you go guys, I finished the lipstick and I actually think it's turned out really well. It goes with eyeshadow amazingly. So I'm very happy with my bronze addition to this challenge. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this look as much as I do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Like and subscribe for more, hit the bell notification to be notified when I put up a screen of a new video, yes. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.